Hello, my dear friends. Good afternoon, you all. Respected speakers of induction program and teachers in life sciences from various parts of the nation who are supporting us consistently in organization of every event. All the members of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences and my dear students. As Cleby Bedford said, you can teach a student a lesson for a day, but if you can teach him to learn by creating curiosity, he will continue the learning process as long as he lives. We, the members of Botany for You, are trying our best to introduce such a curiosity in the students of life sciences so that you can find your own path with this curiosity. One more thing I would like to share with you that I read somewhere knowing is not enough, we must apply. Means what you know is useless if it is not useful to others or if it is not used or applied for the benefit of the society. And willing is not enough, we must do. Means that we think or plan is not of much more importance if we are not implementing it in reality because action is more important for the work done in any field. I am trying these both things with me with my scanty knowledge. And I am equally confident you will also learn best through this online platform. Today, on occasion of first day that is inaugural of induction program for the students of life sciences scheduled from 15th to 20th December 2020, myself, Dr. Pitambar Humne, founder Botany for You, and working as Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, welcomes you all in this online platform Botany for You. Friends, it is very difficult to organize any program in this situation of COVID 19 lockdown. Then also we are trying our best to avail the quality information and even free of cost to the students of life sciences. And this only possible because of cooperative, supportive and hardworking speakers with a sense of social responsibility and human values because of whom only we are able to organize such various events in every month. And we are very sure all such programs will be very helpful to every stakeholder in life sciences in and around the nation. Organization of such type of the multidimensional events need day and night planning, hard work and devotion. And we are trying our best to provide you best through this online platform Botany for You. This induction program includes 6 sessions, and the first and the last lecture of this event will be live broadcasted through our YouTube channel Botany for You. The first session will be on education and research opportunities in life sciences and the scholarship for abroad education. The second session will be on basics and scope in life sciences. This session is included as a feast of basic knowledge of the subjects to newcomer in the graduation in life sciences. The third session will be entrepreneurship development through life sciences. The aim of organization of this type of session is to bring the life sciences from lab to field. And this will help you to increase your curiosity in this field. The fourth session will be on career opportunities through competitive examinations. In this session, you will come to know about the various examinations like UPSC, MPSC, banking, railway, staff selection commission, etc., and its pattern and method of preparation. This will definitely guide you if you choose to enter in services through such type of the competitive examinations. The fifth session will be on personality development, and this is very important as we know that without moral, the knowledge is useless, and hence we must be just human instead of any other things. This session will provide you diverse knowledge about the personality development. The sixth session will be on career opportunities in Bhabha Atomic Research Center. This session is given separately as the speaker was not free during our program schedule. And this session is of utmost importance to the student of life sciences as very few students are aware but such opportunities and even not trying in such a sector of high impact in the country. This session will be eye-opening as an opportunity in bar. Friends, today we have four speakers in this session of education research opportunities in life sciences. In this session, the first lecture will be delivered by Dr. Vishwas Chauhan, School of Inspirational Living, Pune, Maharashtra. Dr. Vishwas Chauhan is known for his revolutionary views on soul, success, and spirituality. Dr. Vishwas has had an amazing journey of self-evolution, self-transformation from a slum boy to a science diplomat to an author, inspirational speaker, success strategist, transformational mentor, and spiritualist. Dr. Vishwas has over 25 years of experience in the field of knowledge management. Due to his path-breaking research in scientific knowledge management, Vishwas is often invited by academic, research and development institutions, business enterprises, and national governments to benefit from his expertise. He started his career as a scientist at the National Institute of Oceanography, Goa, as an information officer in 1991 till 1996. He then shifted to the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, as a scientist in charge of bioinformatics facility and remained there till 2000. Later, he shifted to the National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, as head biodiversity informatics until till 2007. In 2007, he was invited to join the Global Biodiversity Information Facility, Copenhagen, as a senior program officer, content mobilization and digitization of biological collection, a position he held till 2014. During 25 years of scientific and diplomatic career, Vishwas was awarded prestigious Fulbright Fellowship as well as Royal Dutch Fellowship. He has written over 50 scientific research papers, including Nature and other high impact factor journals. Vishwas is known as pioneer in conceptualizing data publishing framework for biodiversity data and promulgating data paper and data citation as mechanism of incentivization to data publisher, and his topic for today's lecture is research opportunities in biodiversity and biodiversity informatics. Our second speaker in this session is Dr. Deepak Koche, who is founder member Botany for You and is working as professor at Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra. His title of presentation is Postgraduate Opportunities in Life Sciences. He is a recipient of Chandrabhagabai Chate Gold Medal, Dr. A.S. Khadatkar Memorial Gold Medal, and Professor L.B. Kajade Memorial Prize in 2001. He has qualified NET examination in life sciences jointly conducted by CSIR UGC in 2001. He has worked as JRF and SRF under DAE funded research project from 2000 to 2003. He has completed his doctoral degree from RTM Nagpur University, Nagpur in 2004, and the title of his thesis is Plant Defense Gene Expression in Vigna radiata. He has completed 5 research projects, of which 4 were sanctioned by UGC and 1 by BRNS. The 2 students have been awarded with PhD degree under his able guidance. He has published 44 research papers in peer-reviewed journals of national and international repute, and 3 in various conferences proceedings. His 9 research papers, articles are published in different books and is co-author of 5 books and is author for 5 books. He has one patent to his credit and has more than 20 years of teaching in UG and PG classes and in research. He is also a member of many national and international organizations. The third speaker for this session is Mr. Mukul Chimote, who is International Career Counselor and a Director, Astute Academy, Nagpur. The title of his guest lecture is Abroad Career Opportunities for Life Sciences Students. He has 15 years of experience in the field of career counseling. He is Senior Art Living Facility and Soft Skill Trainer. There are many awards and honors in his credit. Some of them are Best Career Counselor given by Government of Maharashtra by Eminent Research Foundation in 2019. Global International Achievers Award in Moscow, Russia in 2019. Special Award for the Anti-Donation Movement by Vivekananda Mission, Kolkata. Mayor's Innovation Award at Nagpur 2019. And especially, I would like him to mention, he is a beautiful and down-to-earth human being and very cooperative. The fourth speaker in today's session is Dr. Sanjay Khobragade sir, Associate Professor in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, Raigad. He has around 25 years of teaching and research experience in the field of engineering. He has published over 110 research papers in various national and international journals and conferences. Dr. Khobragade is recipient of many honors and awards like Young Scientist Award, URSI Symposium, Pisa, Italy in 2004. Best Technical Teacher Award by Maharashtra, MST New Delhi in 2010. Gold Medal in Avishkar Inter-University Research Competition, Government of Maharashtra in 2014. Who's Who involved in 2016, and Dr. Ambedkar Ratna Global Change Maker Award in United Nations Headquarters, New York. He has visited many countries like Italy, Thailand, United Nations, Nepal, United States, etc. He has chaired many positions in academics in various universities. Since the inception of this online platform till today, we have organized many online events through this YouTube channel from May 2020. Earlier, we have organized the programs on educational opportunities, research opportunities, career opportunities in India and abroad, as well as personality development. In addition to these events, we have organized national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences in every month since July 2020. And the part 6 of this national workshop is scheduled from 28th of December to 30th December 2020. Till this moment, we have received over 10,000 registrations in all from India and abroad, with more than 2,300 subscription to our YouTube channel and around 50,000 views with more than 2,700 of watch hours within just 7 months of this online platform. This is possible because of kind support and cooperation from the participants. We are very hopeful from our participants for such a support in future also. Soon after this program, we are going to organize lecture series based on life science subject syllabi of Indian universities for UG and PG. So all are expected to take the advantage of this online teaching in this COVID-19 pandemics. After completion of this induction program, a feedback form will be shared through our Telegram group only. So all the participants, those who are interested in certificate, are expected to watch the lectures and fill the feedback form. The data collected in feedback form will be used for the preparation of certificates. So you must fill it very carefully. Those who have registered earlier but are not in Telegram group, they can send me message on Telegram or write us on mybotanyforyou@gmail.com. No any manual or individual certificate will be provided to any participant separately. Your support and cooperation always encourages us for organization of such multidimensional events through this online platform. If you feel that we are working honestly through this online platform for the students of life sciences, Botany for You, then kindly like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Botany for You so that we can try our level best to provide such knowledge feast through this online platform. Thank you very much, you all, for your participation in this event. Wish you all the best for your education, career, and achievements in future. Thanks a lot once again.